Now we want to discuss about the expectation of a discrete random variable. Okay, here discrete random variable is nothing but that is a finite number of the collection of the variables is called as discrete random variable. In this, we can expect about that random variable. For example, in the real life, we are using the expectation of the variable. That variable is any item. Either it is electric bulb, steel, cement, scooter battery, car battery. These are related to the expectation. Okay. In such cases, we are using the expectation. Next, we can find out the mean and variance of such a random variable. Mean means average of the any variable. That is nothing but in which topic we are discussing, that is treating as a variable. Then we can find out mean of such a variable. Variance means that is the difference of the mean and particular probability of the random variable value squares. That is the variance. Now, what is the definition of the discrete random variable? In this, suppose a random variable capital X assumes the values x1, x2, so on xn with respective probabilities p1, p2, so on pn. Then the mathematical expectation or mean or expected value of x is defined as sum of products of the different values of x and the corresponding probabilities. That is nothing but the product of different values of the small x and corresponding probabilities. x1, p1. Next, sum of all variables with the product of the corresponding probabilities. That is nothing but x1, p1, x2, p2, plus so on, plus xn, pn. Then it can be written as in the shortcut form summation of I equal to 1 to n xi pi, or summation of I equal to 1 to n pi into xi. In this, the expected value of any variable, either it can be expressed in the power form, then we can write as x1 power r p1 plus x2 power r p2 plus so on plus xn power r pn, that is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi power r pi, or sigma I equal to 1 to n pi into xi power r. In the same way, we can find out the expected value of any function g of x. Here, g of x is a function of the x random variable. It is defined as the expected value is g of x1 p1 plus g of x2 p2 plus so on plus g of xn pn. It is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n g of xi into pi, or summation I equal to 1 to n pi into g of xi. This is the expectation of the any variable, either can be expressed as the random variable capital X, or it is in the ratio form, that is x ratio r, or the function is in random variable, that is g of x. But the expectation definition means we can taking the discrete values. Discrete values means that is the finite collection of the values x1 to xn and their corresponding probabilities p1, p2, so on pn, or the corresponding probabilities of the variables. Then it can be defined as sum of product of the values x with the corresponding probabilities is called as expectation of the discrete random variable capital X. Here the definition of the expectation of the random variable is, suppose a random variable capital X assumes the values x1, x2, so on xn with respective probabilities p1, p2, pn, then the mathematical expectation or mean or expected value of x, it is denoted by the E of x, is defined as sum of products of different values of x and the corresponding probabilities. So it can be written as in the formation E of x is equal to x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus so on xn pn is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n pi xn. Now we can discuss some important results of the expectation. Here the expectation value of variable with constant, that is E of x plus k, is equal to E of x plus k. How it will get that? By the definition of the expectation of any variable is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi plus k into pi. Then separate the terms, summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi plus summation I equal to 1 to n k pi. Here summation of I equal to 1 to n xi pi is the expectation of x and k is a constant right outside, and we know that summation I equal to 1 to n pi is equal to 1. So this k is right outside and the summation from I equal to 1 to n pi is equal to 1. So it is the one important result of the expectation of x plus k equal to expectation of x plus k. And the second one, expectation of kx is equal to k into expectation of x. It is also by the definition of the expectation of kx is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n k into xi pi. K is a constant right outside, summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. This summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi is equal to expectation of x. So it is the second result. The third result is expectation of x plus y is equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. It is the linear property. Here also we can take expectation of x plus y is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi plus yi into pi. Write separate terms, summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi plus summation I equal to 1 to n yi pi. This is the expectation of y expression. It is the expectation of x. So expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. Fourth one is expectation of ax plus by is equal to, from the second result we can write a expectation of x. From the second and third we use the results, then we can write b into expectation of y. And fifth one, expectation of x minus x bar, it is equal to 0. That is nothing but expectation of x is equal to mu. Mu minus, it is x bar is a real value. That real value is x bar. X bar is nothing but that is also mu. Mu minus mu is equal to 0. Here expectation of x bar is equal to x bar, it is a real constant, then it can be defined as the mean of the random variable. So it is expressed as mu. Mu minus mu is equal to 0, then expectation of x minus x bar equal to 0. Sixth one, expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. It is also by the expectation of xy is equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n xi yi into pi. Here it is equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n. We know that xi pi, then it can be written as summation of xi pi, then here j is 1 to n xi yj pij. Why? Because it is the product of this. This is equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n xi pi sigma j equal to 1 to n yj pj. It is equal to expectation of x, expectation of y. These are the important results in the expectation of the discrete random variable. Next definition is the mean. The mean value is mu. That is nothing but the mean of any random variable can be denoted by the mu. So the mean value is taking as mu of the discrete random variable capital X is given by mu equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n xi pi by summation I equal to 1 to n pi. We know that the summation I equal to 1 to n pi is equal to 1. So by the substitution in the denominator we are getting summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. It is also by the definition of the expectation of the discrete random variable e of x. So then here mean of any discrete random variable is equal to the expectation of the discrete random variable. If both are equal, then expectation of x minus mu is equal to expectation of x minus mu, that is mu minus mu is equal to 0. This is the definition of the mean. Mean is nothing but the product of the discrete random variable values with the corresponding probabilities average. That is nothing but the summation of the all probabilities. In this it is equal to 1, so the mean is equal to expectation of x for the discrete random variable. Variance of the variance is the probability distribution of a random variable capital X is the mathematical expectation of capital X minus e of x whole square. That is nothing but expectation of x minus e of x whole square is the variance of x. It is equal to, by the expectation of the definition, xi minus e of xi whole square pi in the summation of I equal to 1 to n. Next we can write it is in the expansion of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab into pi, and distribute with the pi with each and every function of the summation, that is sigma I equal to 1 to n xi square into pi plus sigma j I equal to 1 to n e of xi square pi minus sigma I equal to 1 to n 2 into xi pi e of xi. We know that summation of I equal to 1 to n xi pi is equal to e of x. So which is in the summation of the product of these two means we can write it is E of xi. This is E of xi, it is E of xi, so we can write it is I equal to 1 to n E of xi whole square with 2 minus 2 plus 1, it becomes minus 1 sigma I equal to 1 to n E of xi whole square pi. So it can be written as, by the definition of the expectation, here x square is there, so it is the expectation of x square minus it is the E of x whole square, means we can write E of x whole square equal to E of x square. We know that expectation of x equal to mu, so it is mu square. So the variance of the probability distribution of a random variable x is the mathematical expectation of x minus E of x whole square, that is equal to E of x square minus mu square. Some important results on variance. The same like as expectation of x. The first one is variance of constant is equal to 0. That is nothing but v of k is 0. And second one, the variance of kx is equal to k square variance of x. Why? Because we know that variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus mu square. From that expansion we are getting k square into variance of x. Third one, variance of x plus k is equal to variance of x only. We know that variance of k is equal to 0. By the linear property, variance of x plus variance of k is 0. Fourth one, variance of ax plus by is equal to a square variance of x plus b square variance of y. These are the important results in variance. The next definition is the standard deviation. The standard deviation, it is the positive square root of the variance is called as standard deviation. It is the positive square root of variance is called the standard deviation. It is denoted by small sigma. Therefore, small sigma is equal to standard deviation equal to under root of variance of x, that is equal to under root of E of x square minus mu square, or under root of expectation of x minus E of x square. This is the definition of the standard deviation.